This is the AP Chemistry Review for topic 1.3, Elemental Composition of Pure Substances. So when we're doing these type of problems, I like to think about it as percent to mass to mole, divide by small, and multiply to whole. So for this following example, I'm going to go over it by using this technique. So our prompt says, a certain substance has the following chemical composition: 56.5% carbon, 7.11% hydrogen, and 36.4% phosphorus. So given the percent, we're going to first convert it to mass in order to proceed to find the empirical formula. So we're going to say 56.5 grams, 7.11 grams, and 36.4 grams. So now we have the grams. We're going to convert these to mole. So 56.5 grams carbon, multiply 1 mole of carbon over 12.01 grams. That gives us 4.70 moles of carbon. And for hydrogen, 7.11 grams of hydrogen, multiplied by 1 mole of hydrogen and 1.01 grams. That will give us 7.04 moles of hydrogen. And for phosphorus, 36.4% grams times 1 mole of phosphorus over 30.97 grams. That would give us 1.18 moles of phosphorus. Now we would divide by the smallest number of moles, which would be phosphorus. And so all of these would be divided by 1.18. And then also divide by 1.18 moles. And we should get approximately 4 for this one, approximately 6 for this one, and 1 for this one. So since these are whole numbers already, we do not have to multiply to whole. So now we would get carbon, C4, and then 6 moles of hydrogen, so H6, and then 1 mole of phosphorus, so P1, but you don't have to write the 1. So our empirical formula is C4H6P. Okay, our second part of this question is asking us to convert it to find the molecular formula given the molar mass of the compound. So that is this one here, 170.14 grams per mole. That is our mass for the molecular formula. So now the first thing we're gonna do is to find the empirical formula mass. And that will give us 85.07 grams per mole. And that is for the C4H6P empirical formula. We're going to have to find the factor of how much the empirical formula is multiplied by. And so in order to do this, we can set up our equation. X, the number of factors, multiplied by the empirical formula mass. And that should give us the molecular formula mass. So 170.14 grams per mole. And if you perform this on your calculator, you should get X is equal to 2. So that means our factor is 2. So we're going to multiply empirical formula subscripts by 2. And that should give us C8H12P2 as our molecular formula. In the next video, we're going to be going over topic 1.4, composition of mixtures.